Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of artistry with a focus on painting. Specifically, we'll be talking about the Shuttle Art Acrylic Paint Set, which I'm confidently dubbing the best paint for wood toys available in the market. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what makes this paint set stand out. With 80 vibrant colors to choose from, including 2 whites and 2 blacks, you're truly spoiled for choice. Whether you're an experienced artist or just starting out, this set has everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. But what good is a set of paints without the right tools? Fear not, because the Shuttle Art Acrylic Paint Set comes complete with 12 high-quality paintbrushes. From fine details to broad strokes, these brushes are versatile enough to handle any project you throw their way. Now, let's talk about why this paint set is perfect for wood toys. The acrylic paints in this set are water-based, which means they're safe to use on wooden surfaces. Plus, they dry quickly and stay on surfaces extremely well, making them perfect for those beloved wooden toys that often endure a lot of playtime. But perhaps the best part about this paint set is its versatility. Not only is it great for wood toys, but it's also suitable for a wide range of surfaces including canvas, rocks, ceramic, and more. So whether you're painting a masterpiece on canvas or adding a pop of color to a wooden toy, the Shuttle Art Acrylic Paint Set has you covered. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best paint for wood toys, look no further than the Shuttle Art Acrylic Paint Set. With its wide range of colors, high-quality brushes, and versatility, it's sure to become a staple in your art supplies collection. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy painting!